So I think another way that Freed Marcroft is different from a lot of other law firms is the way that we start. Um, I think so often that I think so often when somebody has a legal issue and they reach out to a law firm, it kind of just right out of the gate starts with all the legal solutions and the legal strategy, and here's how we're going to address that, and that matters, and that is absolutely part of our approach to our matters and working with our clients. But it needs to start, from our perspective, with asking more questions about the person that's sitting in front of us, not just their problem that they're having, but who they are and how they got where they are, and more importantly, what they want their life to look like on the other side of this thing. And if we don't take the time to ask about what their goals are, then sometimes I think you can find yourself in the middle of a legal matter and realize that you've gone off in a direction that isn't important to the person whose life you're supposed to be helping. So we start our representation with what's called a goals and planning session, and it's exactly what it sounds like it is. We take the time to ask about what's going on in our clients' lives, how did they get where they are, and again, more importantly, where do they want to be? If we could wave a magic wand, what do you want your life to look like? Because it's not the same for everybody. The general facts of a situation can be relatively similar, but that doesn't mean that people want the same things. And if we don't take the time to ask what our clients want, then I think we're, again, missing a real opportunity to do really meaningful work for individuals, not just people with family law problems. And I think that's just another way that we endeavor to set ourselves apart from other family law attorneys in Connecticut.